Hey everybody, we are so sad that we cannot be together on Father's Day. So we're giving you this DIY Father's Day card tutorial to hopefully make up for it, and hopefully you guys enjoy making these crafts to give to your dad, your grandpa, your uncle, whoever. So you'll see a couple of different ones that we've got. The first one we're gonna make are these cute little popsicle cards. Each popsicle is totally unique. You can customize it to whoever you want. I happen to make one that looks like a rocket pop that inside says, "You're the coolest grandpa." Get it? Popsicle? Cool. All right, so let's go through how to make this popsicle craft. You will take your white piece of paper, fold it in half hot dog style. All right, so you're gonna trace your popsicle. Now I just happen to have my popsicle shape that I'm gonna go ahead and use, but you are welcome to use a glass or freehand it if you're feeling super brave. After we trace, we're gonna grab our scissors and cut that shape out. Just like that. And so see, you've got your card. All right, and then you can really do it with colored pencils or paint. I've chosen paint just because it's a little something different and fun. And I think most people probably have one of these little, Crayola paint sets at home if you want to do that. And I'm gonna do a green to blue popsicle. And we'll see how it looks. Watercolors are fun because they give you the freedom to blend the colors, make them look like they're melting a little bit. Now, if you've got a little one doing this paint project, you might want to put something underneath the popsicle as they're painting so they don't get it all over the table. Or even outside if the weather is nice, that could be fun. Blending some of the colors. And we'll do one last color. All right, and then we want to try and give this a little bit of time to dry. Okay, now that our popsicle is dry, we're going to write our message on the inside. So you can really think about who you're giving this card to and write it to them. That's the nice thing about blank cards. We're going to label this one "To My Dad." You've got your note inside. After your note is on the inside, you can hot glue your popsicle stick onto the back. So you really just need like a dab of hot glue right there, and stick your popsicle onto that. Once that is dry, you can add a silly face to your popsicle. And that is your Popsicle Father's Day card.